It's been a cloudy start to the work week over the northeastern and eastern part of South Africa. On our satellite, you'll see the bulk of the thunderstorm activity occurring outside of South Africa's borders, with most of the thunderstorms in South Africa occurring over the northeastern part, but with one or two isolated thundershowers still popping up over parts of the Northern Cape and the eastern interior. It's been a cloudy and cool day with a few drops of rainfall for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, and that's largely due to a cold front which is already heading off into the Indian Ocean. It's followed by a ridging high which continues to push in moisture over the eastern part of South Africa on Tuesday. It results in some rainfall for the low veld on Tuesday, and then we're expecting mostly cloudy weather with isolated thundershowers over a large portion of South Africa's interior. It'll be a partly cloudy and dry day as we head towards the coast, other than the possibility of rainfall over the extreme southern part of South Africa, and that's mainly from Tuesday afternoon. A strong southeasterly wind is forecast for Cape Town on Tuesday, with moderate to fresh winds over the Northern Cape, and a fresh northeasterly wind is forecast along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, where we can expect a partly cloudy and warm to hot day. You'll see thundershowers as we head further inland, Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg at around 30 degrees. A warmer day is forecast for the Eastern Cape on Tuesday. Thundershowers are expected mainly over the eastern part, but at the partly cloudy and dry day along the coast as well as over the western part of the province. 34 degrees and partly cloudy as we head towards Beaufort West. You'll see a mostly cloudy day with the possibility of rainfall in the afternoon and evening, and that's along the coast from Plettenberg Bay through to Bredasdorp. We're expecting a mild Tuesday here. Sunny and warm though for Cape Town and Longabon, both in the upper 20s, and we're forecasting a hot afternoon for Vredendal at 35 degrees. You'll see thundershowers mainly over the northeastern part of the Northern Cape, Uppington 21 and 35 degrees. We're also expecting isolated thundershowers for the Free State. Highs head into the mid-20s for Bethlehem and Harrismith, and Welkom can expect a high just shy of 30. Highs head into the upper 20s for the northwest with another warm afternoon. Mostly cloudy here with isolated thundershowers. We're also expecting a few thundershowers through to the southern and central part of Limpopo. Polokwane with the possibility of light rain at 26 degrees. Phalaborwa and Messina dry and partly cloudy at 32. We're forecasting rain for Bombela with thundershowers as we head towards the Mpumalanga Highveld, with most highs in the mid-20s. 29 degrees for Pretoria with a mostly cloudy day for Gauteng and the possibility of thundershowers. 27 as we head towards Johannesburg. On Wednesday, we're forecasting rainfall for George and Port Elizabeth, with cloudy and wet weather in a band across South Africa between Uppington and the east coast. Thundershowers continue in the northeast, but by Thursday you'll see that cloudy, wet and cooler weather move in over the northeastern and eastern part of South Africa, whilst things remain dry in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.